Welcome to this user interface tutorial. In this short video, we'll take a quick tour of the Addition tab. The software is built around a modern ribbon-based interface, which brings together all essential tools in a clear, organized layout. The ribbon arranges software commands into intuitive tabs and groups, each strategically placed to enhance and streamline your workflow. The Addition tab contains all the modeling commands organized into several sections such as General, Joints, Members, Link Elements, Line Releases, Plates, Surfaces, Spatial Objects, Mesh Contours, Integration Lines, Walls, Measure and Tools. The General section provides fundamental tools for the modeling environment. The Guides command presents a drop-down menu. The first command, Coordinate Systems, allows to create personalized coordinate systems according to your requirements. The next command, Stories, enables the definitions and management of floor levels. The command, Grids, allows users to define and customize the grid settings used to guide the placement of structural elements in the model. The Create a Grid command allows to create a rectangular grid from the selected joints. And the Addition options allows to activate or deactivate certain automated behaviors of the program. The Materials command allows you to define the material properties of each material used in the model. You can choose from standard materials such as steel, concrete, aluminum, and wood, or create custom materials with options for both isotropic and orthotropic properties. You will note that each section attached to an element of the model must be linked to a valid material. The Nonlinear Behavior command lets you define nonlinear material characteristics using multilinear curves. Next, various section types such as standard, non-standard, built-up sections, cable, CLT, and many more can be quickly accessed from the drop-down menu here. The Addition tab includes tools for creating and managing model elements, where each section follows a consistent workflow, allowing you to graphically add, delete, generate, or edit various elements like joints, members, plates, surfaces, and more. Each section presents an Attributes command allowing to modify properties of multiple elements simultaneously. In some cases, additional attribute parameters may also be available. Here in the Joints section, under the Attributes submenu, you'll find several tools for defining joint characteristics. The Joints Attributes command is used to graphically set or modify the attributes of multiple joints at once. The Joints Tables option provides a tabular view of all joints in your model, allowing you to review and edit their data in a structured format. The Joints Constraints command is used to impose constraints on a group of joints, specifying the type of constraint, the joint group it applies to, the coordinate system, and the degrees of freedom to be constrained. The Ground Spring command connects a joint of the structure to the ground, allowing you to simulate support flexibility or foundation stiffness. The Slab On Grade Springs command adds soil springs beneath a slab or raft foundation, making it possible to model the interaction between the structure and the soil. Finally, the Imposed Displacements command allows you to consider support displacements. The Members section of the Addition tab provides the tools for creating and managing the members and physical members of the model. The Member Attributes command allows to edit the attributes of multiple members at once, allowing to modify the general attributes of a member such as the section shape, section rotation angle, and end releases. The Member Tables option displays all members in a structured, tabular format. The Members Analysis Parameters command allows you to specify how each member behaves under load. You can define whether a member resists tension only, compression only, or both tension and compression. The Cable Parameters command applies to cable-type members having no bending, shear, compression, or torsional stiffness. And the Members Deflection Parameters table contains all settings related to deflection verification for each member. The Physical Members menu provides commands to set, unset, or validate physical members. Moving on to the Spatial Objects Attributes menu, providing access to both rectangular and cylindrical spatial object tables. The Mesh Contours submenu here provides additional parameters to define mesh contours, including tools to define edge releases, and to create openings, refinement areas, linear constraints, and point constraints within the mesh. The Measures section provides measurement tools. 3 coordinate system options are available here. The Global Coordinate System is used for the measure commands. The 3 points coordinate system allows you to define a local coordinate system for measurement commands. The Internal Coordinate System option allows you to use an element's own internal coordinate system within the model. The Evaluate Coordinates command lets you obtain the coordinates of any point on the screen. When this command is active, simply click on a point to display its coordinates. The Measure Distance command is also available here for measuring distances on screen. When the command is active, successively click 2 points on the screen to obtain the distance between the 2 points. And the Measure Angle command here allows to measure angles on screen. When the command is active, successively click 3 points on the screen to obtain the angle between the 2 segments defined by the 3 points. The Operations section includes a set of modeling tools. These operations are designed to facilitate the creation, modification, and manipulation of model elements. You will find operations such as move, copy, extrude, rotate, mirror, and scale selected elements. Various modeling options are available, such as aligning the sections of selected elements to a plane, subdividing members and plates, assembling selected members, and attaching intersecting members. Additional options are also available, such as removing orphan joints, combining nearby joints, and converting offsets to equivalent members. This concludes our overview of the Addition tab, highlighting the key tools and commands within the interface. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.